Degasification in liquid metals. As known, gases are much more soluble in liquid metal than in solid metal. As the liquid metal is poured into the mold and solidifies, it absorbs gases from various sources. These gases dissolve in molten metal as elements, not as molecules. On solidification, the elements may recombine to form molecular gases and in doing so form gas holes like blowholes, pinholes, etc., resulting in casting defects. Since it is not possible to completely prevent the absorption of gases in the melt, it is required to remove the dissolved gases, and the process adopted is known as degasification. Vacuum melting is used nowadays for preventing the dissolution of gases in metals. Sources of gases in liquid metals and its prevention. Gases are absorbed in molten metal from various sources as listed below. Furnace atmosphere. The atmosphere inside the furnace may contain water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide as products of combustion of fuel, in addition to the normal atmospheric gases such as nitrogen and oxygen. The amount of gas absorption depends on the conditions and the type of melting furnace. Maintaining clean and dry atmosphere inside the furnace and furnace walls helps in reducing gas absorption. Furnace charge. Wet or oily materials or contaminated scrap charged into the furnace contribute to gas absorption, allowing additions containing hydrogen resulting from reducing conditions employed in smelting fluxes and slag making additions are other sources. Use of dry and clean charge helps in reducing gas absorption. Ladles. Incompletely dried linings and surface of spouts, trunnions, and ladles, when brought into contact with the molten metal, may help gas absorption through dissociation of steam at the contact surface. Use of clean, dry, and preheated tools helps in reducing gas absorption. Furnace to ladle or ladle to mold. Molten metal absorbs gases while it is transferred through air from ladle to mold or during tapping from furnace to ladle. The gas absorption can be minimized by providing a protective atmosphere to the molten metal by means of slag, inert gas, exothermic compounds, etc. Further, pouring metal at temperatures as low as practically possible and maintaining metal handling conditions like skimming, stirring, and ladling helps in reducing gas absorption. In the mold, molten metal may absorb gases inside the mold in case if the mold materials contain excess moisture or volatile hydrocarbons. Molding materials free of volatile matter and proper venting system in the mold helps in reducing gas absorption.